station will be up here, and there you've got the first opportunity to make a beautiful... You have to visit it during the evenings, ladies and gentlemen. At the church, you've got an art market every night, every evening. It's very beautiful. You can buy it beautiful.
Looks like I'm gonna have to wait a while. What the hell am fool? What's that there on the railway line? Looks like my old brown shoe. It ain't mine, mister. How's that for laughs? Not even how'd you do? Wonder what's cooking at the house tonight? Smooth beef. Turn that station, turn that dial. Have enough to eat. Ain't it stupid how some people stare? Not even how you do. What's that, mister? Nah, nah, nah. I'm just the same as you. Rolling down the lane.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you're not back today in the train at 12:30, you can take the next Lemon Express Tuesday morning. Tuesday morning at 12:30.
What time you have to be back in the train? 12:45. That's it.